Hello, kids. It's a little late, but I got my horror pack today on the 29th of September. Getting it really close to the edge. For those that don't know, Horror Pack is a monthly subscription. I signed up for the Blu-ray for 12 months. The subscription could be just 1 month, which is $24.99. That's for Blu-ray. I'm not sure what the DVD is. 3 months is $24.24. That's for 3 months. That's the monthly charge. That's not the full charge if you spend or if you sign up for 3 months. It's actually $72.74. The 6 month is the total is $140.94. That's for 6 months. What I have is the 12 month, and your first month you actually get a bonus. That price in total is $272.89. The savings on that is $27. So I think it's a really good deal. But it is a monthly, to describe mine, it's monthly, 12 months. My first month I ended up getting a bonus. It was a steel book of Psycho. That was mine. I'm not sure what they're doing for new subscribers, but that's only for 12 months. You don't get a bonus if it's shorter than that. But they have DVDs, which is a cheaper price. I don't have that available, the pricing available. I will have a link to the website in my description. So let's open up the package and see what I have this month. It's kind of like a combination of 12 months of Christmas mixed in with Halloween. I'm all for that. Okay, this is the box, and it comes with a nice looking package here. So let me see. This has a bit of a bonus. This film didn't get too many good reviews, but it's signed. Not sure who that is, but Bye Bye Man signed. That's interesting. Well, I finally get to see it. I skipped it because of the bad reviews. Okay, next one is... Wow! This is too cool. I love the classics probably even more than more contemporary. And based on my age, contemporary is 70s, 80s, and 90s, and current. Oh my God. It says it's glow in the dark too. Glow in the dark. Oh man. I love this. Thank you very much. Two more. Oh, okay. This is a limited edition. That's another thing that Horror Pack does. Probably something that's on DVD but not Blu-ray. I don't think I've ever heard of this. It's called Against the Night. Okay, I'll be interested in checking that out. The last one. Oh. A Dark Song. A very well reviewed movie. I didn't watch all of it on Netflix, but might as well use my Blu-ray to do that. That ended up being a pretty good. I mean, let's go over it again. Dark Song. Against the Night, the horror pack limited edition. It always says horror pack on it. In fact, it says it right below there. And by my man, I guess I'll have to give it a go to see what I feel of it. I mean, I might have a different point of view. My favorite of the month, The Invisible Man. Oh my God, this is fantastic. Fantastic. Well, there you go. It was late, but I think it's a very good selection here. Well, until next time, this is Charles D. Cochran signing off.